Hello. In this meditation, I will guide you on a relaxing journey to meet your future self. So first, get into a seated position, crossing your legs and making sure your spine is straight and you are sitting tall. Do not lean your back against anything. Fully support yourself with balance. Raise your chin just a little so that you are holding your head high. You are going to keep this posture for the duration of this meditation to strengthen your body and mind at the same time. When we sit still and remain so for a given amount of time, we are disciplining our bodies to listen to our instruction, which focuses our minds. Take a nice deep breath in, focusing on the sensations at the very tip of your nose. Feel the air moving in and out of your nose, and notice every detail about how your in-breath feels, and then the difference in sensations when you breathe out. Again, pay attention to the sensations of the air coming in your nose, and feel the air passing by as you breathe out. Now notice how your breath feels around your diaphragm. This is located below your ribs and above your digestive system. It contracts and tightens, moving downward as you inhale. This increases the space in your chest, into which your lungs expand. When you breathe out, your diaphragm relaxes and moves upward into the chest. So again, breathing in, your diaphragm moving, allowing for space in your body to fill with air, and as you exhale, feel your diaphragm completely relax, calming you. This is the location of your confidence. When you breathe in, push your belly out. Build your confidence. And breathe out and relax. Good. Is your posture tall? If not, sit up straight again with dignity. Focus on your head being balanced at the top of your spine. Imagine that you are in a beautiful forest that is lush and green. The air is fresh and gently blowing. You can smell the scent of the forest. It's crisp and natural. Maybe a rainstorm passed by recently that you can sense. This is your forest, and you are completely safe here. There is nothing but beauty surrounding you. Look around and notice the details of your forest. You can see the leaves on the trees, and you can feel the sun overhead. Take a nice deep breath in of this clean air, feeling yourself relax even more. You notice a pathway through the woods. It is welcoming